What is lean body hacks? New studies have revealed that there's a specific ration of herbs and spices that can fix your gut flora, boost metabolism and help your body burn more food for energy instead of storing it as fat. It's proven, and Lean Body Hacks takes this new information and teaches you everything you need to get the unique ratio and blend of herbs and spices into your day to start reaping the benefits. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to learn more. Lean Body Hacks is a 21-day online program that does more than just provide you with a list of herbs and spices to get into your day and why. It's much more comprehensive than that, providing you with an abundance of valuable information, as well as step-by-step instructions and guidance. This includes, but is not limited to, detox tea recipes, ways to improve your sleep patterns, effective techniques to reduce stress, lists of foods to avoid and a 21-day plan that gives you motivation, meals, and more. Click the link below for more detail now. All of the herbs and spices proven in the study that this program is based on are easy to find in your local grocery store or health food store. You probably even have most of them in your kitchen already. The secret to finding success with them is getting in the unique ratio, and that's precisely what this 21-day system teaches you how to do. I'll dive into this more in just a moment, but first, here's a sneak peek at what you receive when you purchase the program. Main Manual. Detox Tea Guide. 21-Day Guide. 31-Day Accountability Check-in. In 21 days you can see significant results without ever stepping foot into a gym or restricting your diet. So, sprinkle some fat-burning herbs and spices into your daily tea, cook up some delicious recipes with a dash of this and that, and you can fix your body so that it can start to function properly, which helps burn off fat with next to no effort. For more information, click the link below.